Thank you for your purchase of the Spray and Roll 2. Everything's contained in the one box. First thing you should do is take everything out of the box and have it laid out in your assembly area. Use the single-page instruction manual to supplement this video. First part we want to add is the metal bracket that serves as the feet for the unit when it's fully assembled. Slide it into place and then screw in on each end the two screw fittings. Next, put the rubber feet onto the base assembly that you've just attached to prevent scratches or other issues as you use the product. Next, install the axle through the black unit on the bottom of the spray assembly. Then put the two spacers on each end before you insert the wheels. Slide the wheels on and using the supplied plastic wrenches, hold one end while tightening the other end. In some cases this is easier with a separate set of wrenches. Next, snap in place the hubcaps. Now we will attach the handle assembly to the mounting bracket. That then slides into the upper portion of the spray assembly that'll hold it in place while you then put on your nuts and screws. Using the black plastic attachments we use for the wheels, hold the nuts in place, slide it into the channel from the bottom of the spray assembly, and screw the supplied 4 fittings into place. Next, we want to attach the spray hose assembly. Slide it in through the back of the sprayer unit, screw in place, then screw the trigger assembly into the end of the spray hose. Next, attach the wand to the spray trigger assembly. And for transportation and storage, simply slide it into the rear unit and you're ready to go.